Are you struggling to get your bearer token passed through the header in your Rails application? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue and showing you how to solve it. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your authentication tokens don't work as expected. Many developers face this challenge, especially when switching from one token format to another. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I get a bearer token passed through the header in my Rails application?" They mentioned that while they could retrieve a token using the standard method, the bearer token was coming through as nil. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? The issue often arises from how the token is formatted in the request header. Understanding the difference between the two token types is crucial for resolving this. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you manage your tokens more effectively in the future. To retrieve a bearer token in a Rails application, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct method to extract the token from the request headers. Next, the user needs to modify the way they parse the token. Unlike the previous token format, the bearer token requires a different approach to extract the actual token value. After extracting the token, the user should implement a method to authenticate the token. This can be done by checking if the token exists in the database or matches a predefined value. Finally, the user should test the implementation by sending a request with the bearer token in the header. This will help confirm that the token is being processed correctly. Fun fact, the term bearer token comes from the idea that whoever bears the token has access to the resource, so make sure you keep it safe. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to directly access the authorization header. You can do this by splitting the header string and retrieving the last part, which contains the token. Here's the tip I promised. Always validate your tokens on the server side to ensure they are still valid and have not expired. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to successfully retrieve your bearer token in your Rails application. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to check out our next video for more on Rails authentication.